Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair, and this is a quick weave with no glue and no leave out. So if y'all want to see how I did this style, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this hair is from Aligrace hair. This is the bag, kind of matching, wasn't planned. Okay, so it comes in this satin bag. They also sent some wig caps. There's their little pamphlet in here as well, and then also a pair of lashes, which is always nice. So for this quick weave easy install, I used one bundle of hair, and I also used a headband wig. So on the headband wig, this is a 24-inch deep wave, and this is 200 density. And y'all have seen me do a half up half down using a bundle of hair and a headband wig before, but I've never done it in like a curly texture. So since it's summertime, I definitely wanted to revisit this and do like a quick easy install for y'all. And then on the bundle of hair, I got a 20-inch deep wave bundle. So that is what I did. I used one full bundle of hair on the ponytail, and then I did the full, of course, the full headband wig. So this is how it looks. I think it turned out super cute, and it's really easy. I could take the back portion off at night so that I could sleep easier, and it's like not hair all in the way. The one thing I will say is that the headband wig is not adjustable. Like, it doesn't have the straps to tighten it up. So I did find that it was big, especially since it's sitting on the, you know, back section of my hair. So what I actually did is I just used some really large hairpins to help secure it in place. The ones that are really big like this, if y'all can see, it probably looks like the regular size, but these are like the jumbo hairpins. So yes, stay tuned for the video so y'all can see me do this install and these really cute baby hairs. So yes. Okay, dolls, so first off, you want to go ahead and part off your half up half down. You can put it, you know, more high up if you want to, which will be better the higher up, so that your headband will have more to hold on to. So just do a part straight across. And then I thought that I showed y'all my baby hairs, but I guess I didn't. So I just did these baby hairs, and then I'm gonna start off using some jam to help sculpt my hair in the ponytail section. I did go in later because jam is kind of more greasy. I did go in and add some gel on top later just to have my hair to wave up a bit, because as you can see, my hair was previously straightened. So it was straight and the hair was curly, so I wanted my hair to, you know, kind of get that wave in it. So I did put some gel in, since gel is more water-based, but also this product does have water in it as well. So my hair did start waving up a little bit, but since it is more greasy, it isn't going to hold in place the best, even if you just put hairspray on top. So I would say use some gel as well, especially if you have curly hair, because it's just gonna hold better. But I didn't mind using the jam. So yeah, I did like using the jam first because it did, you know, moisturize my hair and everything good. So I did also braid down the back of my hair. So I just did 2 messy braids, and then I also braided my ponytail at the top, and then I'm just going to wrap that around. And to secure it in place, I'm just going to use another rubber band, and then I can move on to actually adding the bundle of hair onto my ponytail. And as you can see, I did also tie my edges down, just so that when I'm wrapping the ponytail around, it's not like rubbing up against my edges and messing them up. So you can see here, I took a piece of hair from the end of the track, and this is how I actually attach my bundle of hair to my ponytail. Instead of starting off like wrapping the track around or having to use a hairpin or whatever, I just use a piece of hair from the end of the track and I wrapped it around. I left it in and just sped it up. So you can see I'm going to wrap it all the way around until it is completely gone. And then I'm going to go in and start to wrap the track around as well to put that right on top. So whenever you are wrapping the track around, you do want to kind of pull it tight, but don't pull it too tight that your ponytail is going to get super, super tight and you're going to get a headache. So you do just want to kind of pull it taut but don't pull it too tight where you're going to get a headache. But you do still want your ponytail to, you know, stay in place and everything like that. So I'm just going to continue to wrap until I get to the end. I did use the full bundle of hair just so that my ponytail would be, you know, nice and full, but it's not too full. Like, it's the right thickness, if you will. So once I get to the end, I'm going to take a piece of hair out of the end of the track, and then I'm going to use that piece to secure the ponytail into place by using this piece of hair, just like how I did at the beginning to start the ponytail off. Once you wrap this piece all the way around, or you know, at any point, if you want to add some hairpins in to make it more secure, you can definitely do that. I prefer to not really use hairpins unless I feel like my ponytail is just wobbling all over the place. Then I'll go in and secure it, you know, with a couple of hairpins. But you could definitely do this style without using pins. So now you can see how the ponytail is looking. I'm going to take some of the hair out of the ponytail, and I'm just going to comb it out and then use my flat iron to press it out, because I'm going to be using this piece to create a band around the ponytail. Excuse me, y'all. So yes, this is going to give the ponytail a more polished look. You can go in and add a scrunchie or any type of hair accessory that you want. You can skip this step if you want to, and you just want to put, like, you know, a scrunchie or whatever you want to put in your hair to jazz it up. But I do really like this look of, you know, wrapping a piece of hair around and making a nice thick band. I always love how it polishes off the hair, and y'all see me do this all the time whenever I do different ponytail styles. So whenever I flat iron it out, it's not completely straight, but it's fine. It's, you know, it's not too curly. And then I'm just going to hairspray it down. You can use whatever type of hairspray you want. You can use Got2b or a more softer holding spray. I'm just using the Fantasia Spritz. It is, you know, it has a nice hold to it, but it is still pretty flexible. So it's not going to dry and get super hard and crunchy on me while I am still trying to style. And as I go around, I am going to continue to comb it out to smooth out the hair and comb it towards the way that I am wrapping it around, so that it can be just nice and smooth and I have a really nice, you know, band around the hair. So I'm just going to continue to do this until I have used up all of the hair. I think I probably took another section of hair down and wrapped it a little bit more to polish it off more. You can go in and use as much hair as you want, or if you want a smaller band, you can do less hair. So once I have did the band, this is how it looks, and this is how the headband wig looks with the Velcro piece still attached. So you have 3 combs at the top and 1 at the back, and then I'm going to go in and cut off that headband piece on the wig, because this is just going to get in the way since we are doing it, you know, half up, half down. But with this wig, you could definitely still use it for a headband wig or like a half wig. So cutting off the band doesn't make your wig, you know, not usable for other styles. It just will make it more seamless, because you could also do a half wig and pull some of your hair out in the front, do a flip over or whatever you want to do. I have several headband wig videos showing you how to do a lot of different styles with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach the headband wig on the back of my hair. And I did show you how you kind of like flip it down and then you can pin it into place. I only had my small hair pins here, so I pinned it with that, but then I did end up taking it off, weighing the hair down, and using my larger hair pins to secure it in place more. And I also did go in and spray down the ponytail and comb it out. I didn't want it to have that super defined look that it had like fresh out of the box. I did want the hair to have more of that natural, wet, curly kind of look, so I did spray the hair down and the ponytail as well as the headband wig and give it a good brush through and put some curly hair product into the hair and kind of scrunched it up, and then I let it air dry. So this is how it's looking, and you can see how my hair is looking as well. I think I had already added the gel in, so my hair kind of has, you know, a nice little wave to it. And after I have did that, I am going to tease the hair a bit once it is, you know, partially dry, because I just like the look of it, and it also will ensure that your bun is not going to be showing at all, especially if you have like a larger bun or anything like that. And it also just gives the hair a little bit more height and everything like that. And then you could just play around with it to get it to look how you want it to look. And that is pretty much it for this style. Of course, I went ahead and put the headband portion back on, and this is how it looks. So really, really cute, super easy, half up, half down, no glue, and it is, you know, removable and just really easy to do. And yeah, I just think it's super cute for the summertime. Y'all know I love to do half up, half downs with headband wigs because it's just really easy. You don't have to use all that glue and everything like that. So this is the completed style. Stay tuned for the outro. Okay, doll, so this is the completed look of the hair. I think it turned out super cute. At first I was like, okay, I'm not feeling this, especially with the headband wig being kind of big. But then I thought, because I tried to use regular bobby pins to kind of like help hold it in place, and then I was like, oh, I have some really big hairpins, let me try those because they probably hold way better. So it definitely feels a lot more secure, like you cannot just pull it and it's going to come off or anything like that. And also the headband portion did not have clips on it, it has combs. So, you know, combs can kind of slide. So I definitely suggest using some hairpins to kind of help secure it. But you could also braid down the back of your hair and sew the actual headband piece onto the back if you want to do that as well. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute and it's really easy to do. And you know, you can just keep your headband wig and your bundle of hair, and you can do this style throughout the summer whenever you just feel like you want to do this look. And I feel like it jazzes it up when you do like some really cute dramatic type baby hairs with it. And I really like how it turned out. I think it looks well put together and it's really cute. So yes, I love you dolls so much and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye dolls.